Good morning, everyone. So here's a quick market update. So the big headline today that everybody is tracking is actually the tariff announcements coming in on Canada, when Donald Trump has announced 35% tariff on Canada, which is one of their neighboring nations as well. While on the other hand, talking about Russia, Donald Trump has actually threatened that coming Monday, he's going to make a major announcement on Russia, as he's not happy with Vladimir Putin. And maybe because of that, when we see the US futures, that has actually tanked almost 200 points as we speak right now. But when it comes to the yesterday's market and the close of the US markets rather, then they did end in the green, because Dow Jones surged almost 200 points, while Nasdaq and S&P 500, they too closed in the green. And along with that, onto the macro data, we had the US jobless claims data, which came in a tad bit lesser than what the street was penciling in. The European markets did end mixed, but good commentary coming in on the crude oil front as well, because we have seen a bit of a slip coming in over there. Yes, of course, there's uncertainty about the global demand aspect as well, but OPEC Plus is actually discussing pausing the output hikes from October, and maybe because of that, we have seen a bit of a cool off on the crude oil prices, which is now hovering around that $68.8 per barrel mark. Talking about the dollar index, a bit of a surge from those lower levels is what we are seeing at 97.5 odd levels, while no major movement coming in on gold oil prices. But when it comes to the GIFT Nifty levels, we are expecting GIFT Nifty is rather indicating a gap down start for the Indian markets. Almost 140 points of gap down is what GIFT Nifty is indicating. And well, of course, today all eyes will be on the IT pack as well, because just yesterday we had that TCS earnings as well, which was disappointing indeed. And even the ADRs of Wipro as well as Infosys, they were down anywhere between 5 to 6 odd %. So all eyes will be on that as well.